The water, it sparkles with his light.
A new day has dawned upon
Praise
us.
be, the miracle has settled. This fountain reminds us that new beginnings are possible. Let us embrace this moment together.
Thank you, my lord. You have shown me such kindness.
Rise, daughter. Your faith is strong.
Here, take this large one. Thank you. We'll stack it over here by the rope. Gently now, right at the base so the roots can drink. Like this? Yes, perfect. Just like that. The integrity around this section is questionable.
Yeah.
The initial readings confirm my analysis.
I see the stress points. We should recommend further monitoring before sealing this up.
We must remember to help those in need in the village.
Of course, sharing our good fortune is essential for the community. I see before me not just individuals, but a true community, unified in spirit. Let this light guide our shared purpose forward. This little plant proves that life finds a way. Even here, we just have to believe in it. Let go of your fear and simply open your hearts. The world does not have to be as it was. A new path is possible right now. As you can see, the integration of the new plaza with the historic architecture was our primary goal. Welcome, brothers and sisters. May peace be upon you all. Come, join us and find rest from your travels.
As we restore these ancient stones, we must also restore the bonds between us. Our community grows stronger every day. Let us share this meal together in friendship. It is wonderful to be here with all of you.
Yes, may this bread nourish us all.
The history of this plaza's restoration is truly remarkable. They utilize techniques that date back centuries to preserve these very stones.
A symbol of our shared history, restored.
Thank you. It's magnificent.
We must begin the restoration here in the central district.
And these green spaces must also flourish for the people.
Yes, we will secure the foundations first, then expand outward.
It burns! What is this? Oh gods, run for cover! Help us! See how it's splintered here.
There is more damage over there.
All right, now that you have the wrench seated, gently apply pressure and turn it clockwise.
Like this.
That's it, you've got it.
Our strength lies not in these stones, but in the bond we share as a community. This accomplishment belongs to all of us. Thank you. This is for all of you. It's wonderful. Congratulations.
The evening star watches over us tonight. Yes, the peace remains unbroken.
The structural integrity seems fine here. Yes, the stonework held up perfectly against the wind. Let's check the drainage over by Sector 4.
By integrating this natural compound directly into the design schematic, we create a self-renewing protective layer for the entire plaza.
This valve controls the flow to the upper basin. Turn it slowly.
And this one drains the sediment?
This accomplishment belongs to all of us. I am deeply grateful for your support.
We are honored to have been a part of it.